Wow, the markets have come crashing down on Wednesday. Let's talk about this. I'm not sure if Market Meerkat is going to be doing a video today. All I know is the markets had a massive drop. NASDAQ, tech stocks down 5%, 4.91%. Dow down 3.5%. Spiders down 4%. Small caps down 3.5%. Guys, bloodbath out there in the markets as of today. A huge drop on sizable volume. Target came out and they dropped 25%. The worst drop Target has seen since the Black Friday crash that happened in '87, if I got my numbers right there. But holy smokes, massive drop to the downside. Here's the daily chart. The daily chart, we were up and away. We had this big boom, 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 boom. Got past this trend line, guys. That looked all great. However, today, gap down, big sell-off. We're at a trend line right now on the daily chart. Big time trend line. Will this trend line hold on the S&P 500 Spider ETF? It needs to hold. We are there right now. It needs to bounce. We got a negative tick on the histogram. That's bad. Crossover on the MACD with the signal line going down. And RSI also going down. Let's take a look at the weekly charts and see what's going on the Spiders. Spiders weekly chart, we had this hammer. We started to go higher this week, guys. Went up, but then we've sold it off, giving it all back midweek. No good. We still have a higher high, higher low on the weekly. The question is, will we continue lower through the remainder of the week, and will we make a new low? Or will we come down, find a double bottom, head back higher? This is a very interesting time. We have to watch this very, very closely. And if you look at the monthly chart, monthly on the Spiders, go here, down, down, down at a major trend line, guys. I can't even, this trend line goes back to 2012, 2014, 2015, also 2018. It touches here 2020, late 2020. We break through it late 2020. And then we're finding in 2022 support right now at that level. The question is on the monthly chart, will we hold there? Will we stay at that level? Or will we break that trend line? Very important trend line. Will we break that for the month? We have, how many more days do we have in this month? We got a few, right? So we have basically 2 weeks in this market to find out if the next 2 weeks will we be below this trend line or above it. It is so important to look at. So if I look, I'm going to go back to, now the weeklies aren't over, the monthlies aren't over, nobody is over right now, so it's hard to even show you those things. But I want to go back to the dailies because the dailies are over. Here's the diamond daily. We close on the daily, we close below a trend line. That's no good, guys. NASDAQ went above a trend line, then we come right back down. That could be a jab. That could show more continuation to the downside. We do have support here. That support needs to hold on the daily chart. Russell's 2000, just a bear pullback, up, and we're dropping. Look for that to drop further. Here it is. This is financials, guys. Financials. Oh, look at this. Yesterday went up, smashed its head at resistance, and today we dropped. Oh, will we come back down to these lows, giving us a double bottom? Will this be the big double bottom? I don't know. Gold holding its own. Silver starting to drop here. Bear pullback starting to do that. VIX spiking higher. Down, down, down. Big spike to the upside on the daily chart. We closed over 30 on the VIX, guys. Bitcoin down, Ethereum down. So everyone's down. All I want to do is come and just let you guys know that what this about face that we got in the markets is a telltale sign to where we're at in the marketplace. Anytime we get these big runs, we get these sizable traction to the upside, smart money, big money's coming in and selling into that strength to get their monies out of the market. That's what we're seeing here. Any of these runs that we get the drops, we're going to get violent moves to the upside and downside. So be paying special attention to this, especially, we're down. Wait until the Dow when we get 1,000 point down days, when we see those, you know we are done. We are going into a market correction. We already know this. We've been calling this for several months now. None of us, if you've been following us for any time at all, you know this is something we've been talking about, okay, in very deep and clear detail. But we're continuing to see the strength being sold into over and over and over again. So what I'm questioning right now is, will we find support at those lows, the recent lows that we made, and bounce from there? If not, if we continue lower than those lows, hard telling where the rest of the market is going, where the bottom is going to be. This thing could just flush out to the downside. So very, very interesting to see this. I thought we had a really good chance. We had a good 3 days of rallying straight up on big gains, just as we talked about in last weekend's video. But Wednesday, bloodbath. Will this freak everyone out, and will they sell into this? We're at some major support areas, and the areas that support has been broken, will we hit those other support areas, and will we bounce? This market is very, very sold, okay? I won't call it oversold, but it is pretty sold at this market. We've had a big drop to the downside. It's ready for a rally to the upside. But the question is, when will we get it? Because right now it's just in a trajectory, in a downtrend with a trajectory that's very, very healthy and very bearish. So anyway, hope this quick little 6-7 minute video was helpful. Share it with a friend. Definitely leave a comment on your thoughts. Let me know what your thoughts are going here. So, and Mark, if you're doing a video, sorry to do a video on top of yours. So, or maybe you'll be doing one on top of mine. It doesn't matter. I just wanted to get some information out to you guys due to today's price action movement. Take care. We'll catch you later. Bye.